Okay, so second video on our review is that we're going to use the vertex to find the domain and range of everything. So f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 10x plus 4. Now, if you have a graphing calculator for this, obviously it's fairly easy. You can graph it. You can find either the max or the min, and that gives you your domain and range. So what do we know? We know that as a quadratic that this is a parabola. So my domain is going to be all real numbers, or negative infinity to positive infinity. Preferred. I mean, we need to start getting away from writing all real numbers. We need to actually have symbols for it. Make sure we're practicing those. Now, what is our range? We need to determine. This is a normal parabola, so y is going to be greater than or equal to, and we need to figure out what this is. To do that, you have to find your vertex. So again, negative b over 2a, which would make it 10, 2a, which would make this 4, so this would give me 5 halves, or 2.5. But that gives me my x-coordinate. What I need my y-coordinate. So let's see here. We're going to do 2 times 2.5 squared minus 10 times 2.5 plus 4, which would give me negative 8.5. We know it's greater than because it's a minimum. All right, our next one. Oops, let me write this. F of x is equal to 4 x squared plus x minus 1. Again, so this is still a parabola. My domain is still all real numbers. So I need to find out what my range is. Y is greater than or equal to because it's a regular parabola. So now we're going to do negative b, which is just 1 as our b. So negative 1 over 2 times 4, which is 8. This is not going to be pretty. All right. So what is 1/8? Let's do that first. Let's just make these all decimals. These do terminate, so it is nice. All right, so it's a negative 0.125. All right, here we go. So 4 times negative 0.125 squared plus negative 0.125 minus 1. And if I did everything correctly, I'm looking at a negative 1.0625. Let's go to the next page, the next one. F of x is equal to 1/2 x squared plus 3x plus 1. Again, the parabola, yes, there's a 1/2 there, but it's still a normal parabola. Negative b over 2a, so negative b would be a negative 3 over 2a, which would be 2 times 1/2. Now what's nice about this becomes 1, so my x is just negative 3. Oh, my domain and range. Domain is still in all real numbers. Now put negative 3 in, so 1/2 times negative 3 squared plus 3 times negative 3 plus 1. Put everything in, so 1/2 times negative 3 squared plus 3 times negative 3 plus 1, and I got negative 3.1. Sorry, negative 3.5. So y is greater than or equal to negative 3.5. Just remember, if this was a negative, or if it was, our parabola would look like this, and we have to say y is less than or greater to that. All right, last problem for this little section. Now the nice one about this one is that it's actually already in vertex form for us, so it actually makes it a tad bit faster. There is something that we have to recognize. F of x minus 3 squared plus 2, domain, it's all real numbers. This is my y. My a is 1, so it's a normal parabola. So my range is y is greater than or equal to 2. All right, that's my second section.